Hey everybody, this is Rio. I just got 12.5.6.3 FSD last evening, and I've been driving it now for about 20 minutes. It's been interesting. I think so far no intervention. It's been pretty smooth. It has felt a little uncomfortable in certain situations, but the interesting thing about this release is it is the end-to-end neural networks for the Freeway stack. So, you know, typically on these videos you don't really go on the Freeway because they're kind of more boring rides, and it's been a different they've kind of had the freeways pretty well for a long time, but now we have the end-to-end neural network. So let's see how it does on the Freeway. I'm going to drive on the Freeway here for about 10 minutes. This is the I-45. This is one of the most busy freeway. It is the most busy freeway out in Texas. Connects Houston and Dallas. So there's always a lot of traffic. So I'm going to keep my hands firmly on the steering wheel for this drive because, you know, this is a new freeway build, so it should be interesting to see. A couple of interesting things that I've noticed with this latest release is there's been some UI updates, and so let's do it this way. So you can see the vehicles. I guess there's not many nearby right now, but you can see the vehicles on the UI is much smoother. It's no longer kind of choppy like it kind of was before. It looks a lot smoother on the UI, which is a nice touch. So right now, 45, we're going 55 and a 45. I have it in standard mode. At this point, you can do either chill, standard, or hurry. You know, typically I drive in a kind of standard way. I, you know, kind of go with the flow of traffic. I'm usually not in a rush, so I think this is probably the right way to go. Okay, so we're entering the freeway, 65 miles per hour. Let's see how we do. A lot of traffic. But we're just gonna go on it for a few miles. Then we'll take some city streets, kind of see how it does there too. I'm just gonna drop you guys a little video. Got a lot of stuff going on, but I wanted to. Okay, so what we're doing 58, we're getting over, accelerating, 65, 65. So there's not much I can really say at this point. I mean, it's, you know, since I have it in standard mode, it's not going to switch lanes a lot. It's going to basically go with the flow of traffic. I'm sure if you put it on hurry mode, it would be a little bit more, a little quicker, maybe switching lanes a little bit more, but you know, that's not how I drive, and especially when you're not driving, I think it makes a lot more sense to be cautious and take a more safe approach. All right, so the exit is in 1 mile. We've got a semi in front of us on each side. Do we speed up and go around this semi, or do we slow down? Let's see. Half a mile. Okay, once we get over, car's speeding up. We get up to 75, we switch lanes. Okay, well, that was well done. I'm not gonna lie, I was very happy with the way the car drove. That was a very comfortable, human-like. Okay, now we gotta slow down. Now we can see how the car does in some city streets for the next few minutes. The last 2 builds of FSD have been honestly horrendous. Okay, we've had phantom braking, we've had speed limit issues, we've had all types of issues that just, you know, I told my wife, do not use FSD right now. It's not safe. And you know, I hate to say that because I love FSD. I'm a big, you know, booster and supporter of the technology. But so far, I'm having a great experience in this one. Now, I've only been driving this for, you know, maybe 30 minutes, so, you know, definitely needs a lot more testing. I'm gonna record for the next 5 minutes, kind of going through kind of little downtown area. Let's see how it does. Right now, we're going 48 and 45, just cruising. The traffic's going a little bit quicker, but it's sticking closer to the speed limit, which is okay. Over safely. Got a car right here. Let's see how it does. Perfect. Okay. Slows down, goes around the vehicle, comes back to the right-hand turn lane. That's very impressive. That the car did a great job, and you know, there was no jerkiness, there was no hesitation. It really just kind of followed the car ahead of us and just, you know, very smoothly made that transition. So I was very pleased with that. Okay, we're in a 35-mile-per-hour zone. We're going 35. We're just cruising. Cruising, cruising, cruising. Easy drive. Not a lot of traffic over here today, huh? Okay. Oh, there's the traffic. It's right ahead of us. I don't know if you can see those cars, but there's quite a few up there. Well, so far this is pretty nice. This is pretty nice. I'm really enjoying this drive. It feels really good. I'm definitely going to do more testing. If I notice any big issues with this release, I will definitely probably make another video and talk about it. Maybe we can recreate it. But I mean, if it's another great release that's silky smooth, feels great, it's comfortable, human-like, then that's fantastic. I mean, that's what we want. That's what I'm rooting for sure. Let's see how we do here. Okay, got a lot of traffic up here. Okay, I'm not sure exactly why all these cars are here ahead of us, but the truth is I really don't want to deal with all this traffic. I don't necessarily need to go this way. So I'm going to take over here in a second. I want to thank you for watching the video. If you made it here, please give me a subscription, give me a like. Trying to expose more people to Tesla FSD. I think it's one of the most awesome technologies that's being developed right now, and it's really going under the radar, which I guess is good if you're an investor or you know, you drive the vehicles. But I think it's going to be one of the most important things being developed in the world right now. So I appreciate you watching. I'm going to probably drop more videos. I'll always be dropping new videos as new FSD versions come out. But so far, 12.5.6.3 seems pretty awesome. Thanks for watching.